The unveil. Danette's first time seeing the truck. Unveil at Barrett Jackson, Las Vegas. So Danette ordered this truck in Scottsdale. We built the truck. She bought the glasses, and here it is. All right, so Danette, how do you like it?
I love it. I could almost cry.
Oh.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Well, start it up. The unveiling of Danette's Brittany Blue Bronco. The only thing missing is the Gateway Bronco license plate.
Oh my gosh.
Family and friends are here.
Yeah, exactly.
All you gotta do is order your Gateway Bronco, and we'll deliver it at Barrett Jackson. You're welcome, Danette.
You look beautiful. My dogs are gonna love it.
Well, I think based on the reaction, she's pretty happy.
I'm happy.
That's good.
That's so